So hello everyone. Today we're going to install this tool named the FatRat. So I'm going to be showing you how it's done in this tutorial. So let's get to it. So first of all, I'm going to open up Firefox and search for FatRat along with the name GitHub. And then once we're here, we're going to open it up in a new tab. So once that is done, I'm going to open up my terminal now. And I'm going to bring it closer, I think, because in order to make it clear, it must be close and visible. So here we're going to type git clone, and over here we're going to copy from the code the link. So we're going to paste it from our clipboard, and once we're done, hit enter. Now it's going to download the repository. So in other words, it's going to download the FatRat folder, which is going to contain all of the requirements that is needed in order to install the FatRat. So let it finish. So we're gonna wait. So we're done, and the next thing we're gonna have to do is check. So it's over there, as you can see, the FatRat. We're gonna copy the name. So I'm gonna move this folder to my desktop, just my personal preference. So okay, I moved it. The next thing we're going to need to do is get inside desktop, because we moved the FatRat folder over there, the directory. So when I type ls, as you can see there, I'm going to navigate, and over here, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the installation instructions just to make sure that we're not making any mistake. So it's already given there, which is using chmod plus x and giving it a permission to the setup.sh file. So in case I just don't come up with any error, I'm going to use super user do in my case. So you can try this as well because it works properly. And well, not that, and bash, I don't think it's a good idea. I'll go straight into my super user root access. So I'm going to get inside the terminal. I'm going to type the password with this command sudo su. And over here, what we're going to do next is very simple. We're going to just run it with this command with setup.sh. Hit enter, and it should begin the installation of FatRat. So we're gonna wait a little bit. So we're waiting for it to finish loading something, whatever it's doing right now. So okay, once we're done, just press enter to continue setup. So after pressing enter, yep, there we go. Now it should show us all of those things which are needed. So if it's not there, the script is going to install it automatically. So it's completing the process of that. So over here, it seems that some kind of tool is detecting an incorrect version. So you can type yes. So in case if you get error, just ignore that. That's not a big issue. It will continue on the setup. So we're going to have to wait until then. Until it finishes completely installing whatever it's doing right now, which is installing the mono dev. Sorry, something like the name that you can see over there that ends with -utils on the terminal's head. So as you can see, the name itself. And we're going to wait now. We're almost there. It's more like extracting the packages. So okay, we're now in the setting up part. Okay, now it should finish. And there we go, it's installed now. And for that, GNOME terminal was not found. Now that is also done. Installing. All of that is okay. Python 3 as well, along with its beep. Pip is installed. So now it's installing Java. So the tools, most of them are already present, it seems, in my system. Now just wait while something is loading up. It will not get stuck, it will work, so we're just gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay, so the next thing here, I'm going to choose number 2 for the option. So we're going to press 2 and hit enter. So we're almost done now. The installation process is about to complete. So over here, just type enter. Keep it default. Don't put anything on right, just type enter. So, okay, that's done. And Y should be the option now. And then type enter again. So, that should be it. The only thing that we need to do now is exit out of the root terminal if you wish to. And you can also check over here by typing FAT, and then you get the application installed. So as you can see, it's clearly installed inside the system. Now I'm going to exit and I'm going to clear. And I'm going to type the FatRat. Okay, that's not the shortcut file name, it seems. So for that, we're going to type the correct name, which is going to be FatRat, sudo FatRat, alright? So without sudo, it might not work properly. It's better I use sudo, because in my case, it's working with it. Sudo command properly. So it's checking all of the tools again, the applications that are required. Okay, every package is installed. Now all we need to do is press and enter, and in order to continue. So it's starting the PostgreSQL service. Now that is done, now we're finally here on FatRat. Now you can successfully use this tool. In case you find any error, let me know in the comments. I would really be glad to help you out on that. So as you can see, the FatRat is here and it's working properly. So let's try number 6, I believe. So 6, and we're going to hit enter. So as you can see, we got all the options in order to use this tool and the payloads. So I'm just gonna exit out, because this video is just about installing the FatRat, not about how it's used. So I'm gonna exit with the 17. So that should be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you please like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, please make sure to check out my Telegram channel for more contents like this in the description.